guys, it's Star. If you're an agency who offers social media management services or you're a content creator, you're going to want to watch this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can integrate Canva so that you can seamlessly edit content, import content, as well as download, all with one simple integration. Let's dive in. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. On the left-hand side, simply click on Media Storage. Once you've clicked on Media Storage, go up to the top right and just go ahead and select Connect Canva. Once you've connected Canva, you're going to want to go ahead and give Lead Connector access to your Canva account. So I'm going to allow. Now you can actually manage your files from Canva and HighLevel. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to show you is how to edit a file right inside of Canva from HighLevel. So you're just going to go ahead and select the image that you're interested in editing. Go ahead and click on the three dots. You're going to select Edit in Canva. This is going to open your file right inside of Canva. So now you'll see that we have the ability to edit this file in live time. No jumping back and forth. Please note that you can edit PNG and JPEG files. Private Canva files cannot be edited. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how you can actually download Canva files. So you're just going to want to go ahead and select the box here. We're going to go ahead and select on Canva, and now you'll see our Canva files. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and click on this download button, and you can go ahead and download, and this is going to export your file directly from Canva. The types of download formats will be PNG and PDF. Okay, now that you see our Canva files here, it's important to note that these must be downloaded from Canva in order to use them anywhere else in HighLevel. So you can view your Canva files, but we do want to make sure that you download the ones that you want to use. So we're going to go ahead and select the three dots here, and you're going to see the option to import to your media library. Let's go ahead and select that. So it's currently importing from Canva. You'll see the notification at the top right. Now successfully added. So if I just go ahead and go to My Media, you'll now see this new design has been added. Go ahead and integrate Canva today so that you have access to everything in one place. For more information on this tutorial, go ahead and check out our help doc below. And if you like this tutorial, you can find more just like this. Check out our Content Army playlist. I'll see you guys in the next video.